Got a Codex task you keep asking for every single morning, like scanning your inbox for anything urgent? Codex automations run it for you on a schedule before you've even opened your laptop. Here's how to set one up in one sentence. So here's a task I already ran. I had Codex scan my Gmail for anything urgent, deadlines, client requests, anything that actually needs a response today, and turn it into this table. I like the way it came out, so watch what I do next. I'll just type, "This is urgent stuff, so please run this every single morning at 7 a.m. and update this table before I start my day." That's it. That's literally the whole setup. I just told it when to run and what I wanted it to do in plain English. No settings menu, no cron job, just one sentence. And because this is urgent, time-sensitive stuff, I want it running every day, not just once a week. And look, it confirms right here in the chat, scheduled every day at 7 a.m. You can click on Open to see what's inside, and you can see all the details and the frequency right here. Now, if I go over to the Schedule tab here on the left, there it is. Click into it and you get all the details. And this icon right here, that's your on-off switch. Click it whenever you want to pause the automation and click it again whenever you want to turn it back on. That's genuinely it. Anything urgent or time sensitive that you don't want to remember to check manually, just let Codex handle it. You want it waiting for you the second you open your laptop. Set it up once and let Codex keep watch in the background. Alright, that's how you set up recurring automations in Codex. Try it with one task you normally do every week and thank me later.